being far ahead in AI, it can create its own problem. Because the further you are, the harder it is to meet people where they actually are. So I found this out the hard way during another speaking engagement where I delivered a workshop and I wanted to bring the audience into a live AI exercise. I wanted to make it engaging and participatory, have them do the work in real time instead of watching me do it. And what I ran into was that people are at widely different stages when it comes to their understanding of AI, but also their experience with AI. Some are ready to move as fast as I move, while others are still figuring out what the word prompt means in a work context. Some are curious but hesitant, some are excited but not confident enough. I built that exercise basically at my speed. And I was taken back when the room couldn't move there with me. And that was on me, not on them. But it reminded me that knowing something deeply is not the same as being able to teach it effectively. Teaching is not transmitting information. Teaching is creating the conditions for someone to actually receive it. And in AI, especially, I think there's a gap between exposure levels and experience. And that gap, it's only getting larger. And it's important to mention it because the most sophisticated thing you can do in this space right now is not show people the most advanced thing that you know. It is to figure out where they are and then build the bridge from there to where you are.
Events Demystified, the podcast for event professionals.